Good morning, children. Welcome to the math class. Today we will start a new chapter, the triangle and its properties. Then, students, what is a triangle? See, yes, it is a triangle. A triangle has three sides. You can see it has three sides, and yes, three angles. You can see three sides and three angles. So we have a complete triangle. I can show you here. You can see that here all the sides are equal in length. This side, and this one, all the sides are equal in length. So many different types of triangles you can see here also. Can you see? Different kinds of triangles you can see here. These two sides are, sometimes you can see triangles are of only two sides equal. Sometimes you can see all the three sides are equal, and sometimes you can see a triangle with right angle 90 degree. Sometimes you can see an angle which is more than 90 degrees. So many kinds of triangles we can see here. These are the examples of triangles. Now, triangles on the basis on its sides, triangles are of three types of triangles you can see here. When the lengths of all the sides are same, you can see all the sides are same, then we can say that it is an, when a triangle where all the sides are same, it is not all the sides are not same. When a triangle, when all the sides are same, equal in length, we can say that it is an equilateral triangle. Where only two sides are equal, then we can say that it is an isosceles triangle. You can see the name of the triangle, it is an isosceles triangle. And when all the sides are of different length, this one, and this one, all the sides are of different length, they are known as scalene triangles. So triangles on the basis of their sides are of three types: scalene triangle, isosceles triangle, only two sides are equal, and equilateral triangle, all the three sides are equal. Similarly, on the basis of the angles, on the triangles on the basis of, based on the angles, triangles are of three types again. When all the angles are less than 90 degree, which is known as acute angle triangle. All the angles are less than 90 degree, it will be acute angle triangle. When in a triangle only one angle is 90 degree, you can see this angle is 90 degree. So this is known as right angle triangle. And when one angle is more than 90 degree, the name of this triangle is obtuse angle triangle. So on the basis of the angles, triangles are of three types: acute angle, right angle, and obtuse angle. Next, we have to we will know a new terms which is known as medians. We have familiar with this word in data handling, but this median and the medians in data handlings are different. Here the medians means the line joining the midpoint of one side and the opposite vertex. Say it is a triangle, say ABC. Say it is ABC and D be the midpoint of BC. See, this portion is same as this portion. This length is equal to this length. Length of BD is same. Length of BD is same as CD. Then D will be the midpoint Obviously D will be the midpoint. So when the line joining the midpoint of one side of a triangle, and the opposite vertex is known as the median of the triangle. Understood? So the median of triangle given here, we can see this is a median. This line is known as median. Vertex to the midpoint of the opposite side. Now another new term you will come to know this time now, which is known as altitudes. What is an altitudes? Altitudes is the line drawn perpendicular on the opposite base from the vertex. Say name of this triangle, say ABC. You can see it is ABC, and from A one perpendicular drawn on side BC, opposite side, from the vertex A opposite side, if the line drawn perpendicular is known as the altitude. Say AD. Now here AD is the altitudes on side BC. See, D is here not necessary to be the midpoint of BC. It is not necessary that D will be the midpoint of BC. Okay. Now we will solve a few sums from this. Depending on the basis of the discussion, we will do few sums. Now see, in triangle PQR, can you see the triangle PQR? PQR. Triangle PQR. In triangle PQR, you can see PM, and this side is indicating that it is PM is drawn perpendicular on QR. So what will be the name of PM here? What will be the name of PM? Yes, PM is the altitude. PM will be the altitude. Now PD. What is PD? It is clear that D is the midpoint of QR. This portion QD is same as DR. So you can say that D is the midpoint. So we can say that PD is the line joining the midpoint and the opposite vertex. Midpoint and the opposite vertex is known as the median. So PD is the median. Now can you tell me, is QM is equal to MR? It is very clear. QM is not equal to MR. See QM, up to here only QM, and MR. You can see MR is from here to here. What do you think? Are they equal? No, they are not equal. So no, they are not equal. Now you have to draw a rough sketch. It is for your homework. Draw a rough sketch of the following. ABC. Draw a triangle ABC where B is the median. Rough sketch. How can you draw this? Draw a rough sketch of triangle ABC. Use your scale, ruler and pencil. Scale and pencil to draw the triangle. Rough sketch. No need to give any particular measurement. And B, from B, E is the median. So E will be the midpoint. E will be the midpoint of AC, and you have to join BE such that BE is the median. In the same way, PQR, in triangle PQR, it is question number A, solution of question number A. In triangle PQR, PQ and PR are the altitudes. PQ and PR are the altitudes of the triangle. Now, how can you show this? It is possible only when PQ and PR both are altitudes. It is possible only when it is a right triangle. PQ and PR both are altitudes. So PQ and PR both are altitudes to each other. This is a rough sketch. Now in triangle XYZ, in triangle XYZ, YL is the altitude in the exterior of triangle. When the altitudes will be the exterior of the triangle, this is question number B. Answer solution of question number B. Now solution of question number C. It is possible only when the triangle is obtuse angle triangle. Then only the altitudes will be outside of the triangle. Okay. See, if I draw the altitudes, we can see that I am using another color to draw the altitude. See, you can see that altitude is outside of the triangle. So the naming we will give now, it is X, Y, Z, and YL is the altitude. X, Y, X. I am giving the name in this way. It will be X, Y, and Z, and YL is the altitude which is outside of the triangle. I hope whatever we have explained today, whatever we have discussed here, is you all have understood it. Practice it, students. Stay safe. Thank you, students.